We're closing in on 5,000 members currently out sick. And we have, I would anticipate by tomorrow morning, close to 900 tests positive for COVID.
NYPD Commissioner Dermot Shea with an alarming statistic of NYPD employees who are testing COVID positive. On Sunday, more than 4,600 uniform members were out sick. This accounts for nearly 13% of the department's workforce. On Saturday, Detective Cedric Dixon, a 23-year-old veteran of the NYPD, lost his battle with the coronavirus. He's the third NYPD member to die as a result of the disease in just over 48 hours.
We are hurting. We are crying, and we continue to fight. We simply have no other choice. It is in our heart and it is in our soul to sacrifice, to serve, to fight for you.
The city is also mourning the loss of the first FDNY member to die of coronavirus. 55-year-old James Valleco was an ambulance mechanic from Staten Island. For 3 weeks, these women and men on the front lines are essential workers at the center of the city's outbreak. Commissioner Shea says until the entire department is fully staffed again, the NYPD is following new measures to protect the city, including staggering the workforce and, for some, working from home.
We have thousands of employees working from home as long as they can do those jobs and still operate at a high level with the police department delivering functions. We've given discretion to our frontline commanders in terms of accommodating people, particularly people over 50 years of age with vulnerabilities such as this disease seems to strike harder.
Mayor Bill de Blasio ensuring New Yorkers they're safe as concerns grow over a potential rise in crimes like domestic violence calls while people are on lockdown.
And we need to make sure if anyone feels in danger, that's a priority immediately to act on it. And they can reach out to the NYPD, and this again, NYPD is prioritizing domestic violence always, but especially in this crisis.
What we've seen is generally a reduction in crime, not just in domestic violence, but many crime types over this last roughly 3-week period. What we worry about in some types of crimes, particularly domestic violence, is it occurring and there's a lack of reporting.
Commissioner Shea is optimistic, saying the first group of officers who've contracted the virus are now starting to return back to work. We're live in the Bronx. Rebecca Solomon, Pix 11 News.